The kinetic energy of an object is the energy which it possesses due to motion. The formula for kinetic energy is Ke equals half mass times velocity squared, where m is equal to the mass of the object and v is equal to the velocity. Potential energy is stored energy, such as when you pull back a bow. The formula for potential energy is mgh, saying mass times gravitational pull times height on which you dropped it from. In physics, acceleration is the rate at which the velocity of a body changes with time. The formula for average acceleration is average acceleration equals change in velocity over time. Newton's third law of motion is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. What this is saying is if you push a tech deck against a wall, you exert force on the tech deck, which the tech deck exerts on the wall and pushes it back just a little bit. Newton's second law is F equals ma, where F is the force acting on the object, m is the mass of the object, and a is the acceleration of the object. Newton's first law is an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. An object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. So both objects, no matter what, if they're staying still or moving, they will not continue moving because they are always acted on by an outside force like friction, air resistance, or even gravitational pull. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces. What this is if you can imagine even the smoothest of surfaces, if you get a magnifying glass or a microscope and you look at it really close, there are minuscule indents. Gravity is what holds everything together. It is what holds the planets together. It's what holds everything down to Earth. The more mass something has, the more gravity it has. Speed is how fast something is moving, like how fast a car is moving or even how fast a tech deck is moving. If something is moving, it has a speed. Now, how you would find that speed is average speed equals distance traveled over time of travel. That is the formula for speed.